You ever thought to yourself, man, just ain't working out. It's just not moving. And I'm doing everything I'm supposed to do. I'm showing up, I'm putting in the work, and this just keep falling apart. Or maybe you've had the experience where you're like, man, everything be working out, everything be good until this show up, or until I start messing with those people. Then when I start messing with them people, all my shit just fall apart. That's that bad energy. That's them low vibrations. And you can look at it a couple ways. You can look at it as, you know what? God is not going to bless me, or the divine source is not going to bestow upon me the blessings that I have been working for until I remove myself from these people, because the blessings that are for me are not for them. Or you can look at it as their low vibrations, their stagnant energy, the stagnant energy that they have is getting in the way of the motion and the acceleration and the momentum that I'm building up with what I'm doing, and therefore causing stagnation in my shit. Either way you want to look at it, you're not going to get what you do until you remove those people. You're not going to get what's yours until you separate yourself from the people who are not resonating, who are not on the same frequency as you. What's yours is yours. What's yours will always be yours. But when you get it, it's completely in your hands. How fast are you moving? How fast are you learning those lessons? How quickly are you separating yourself from the people who are standing in the way of you getting what you deserve? Please hit that like button. Don't forget to follow for more. And please visit www.GodstyleBilal.com in order to leave me a gift or a tip. Links in the bio. Mwah.